How to change email on Binance. Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to change your email on Binance. In order to change email on Binance, you have to first of all make sure that the application is completely updated and that you've already verified your account. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Binance account. Once logged in, by default, it's going to direct you to the home page. Once you're logged in, tap the profile icon or the icon located in the top left hand side corner of your screen, and here you need to go ahead and select your username, and then you need to go to security. While you're on the security page, you will be able to see this information. So over here, go to email, and in order to make changes with your email, then tap the icon located right in the corner and click on the continue button if you're sure about it. Also make sure to go to the confirmation that has been stated before you make changes. You have to enter in the verification code in order to verify your identity, so you have to wait patiently until you receive verification code. So right on this page, you can see this is my verification code. Now you need to make sure to enter it exactly and press the submit button located right at the bottom. Now you need to enter in the verification. Now you get to change your email address, so type in the new one, enter in the verification code as I've already done it before, and click the submit button. Then you've successfully changed your email on Binance. So that's how you can change email on Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.